Did you know that Jesus walked the same exact path as King David during the most dramatic moment of David's life? This path holds the key to understanding Jesus' final week. The Kidron Valley sits between the Mount of Olives and Jerusalem's Temple Mount. Every time Jesus traveled from Bethany to teach in the temple, he crossed this narrow valley. But this wasn't just any route. 1,000 years earlier, King David fled across this same valley when his own son betrayed him. David walked barefoot, weeping as he climbed the Mount of Olives in exile. The prophets wrote that the Messiah would also cross here. During Holy Week, Jesus crossed Kidron multiple times. His triumphal entry on Palm Sunday, his daily walks to teach in the temple, his final journey to pray in Gethsemane, and finally when soldiers arrested him and marched him back for trial. Each crossing fulfilled ancient prophecies. The valley that once carried a rejected king now carried the rejected Messiah. Understanding this geography transforms how we read the Passion accounts. Every step Jesus took was walking in the footsteps of prophecy.